This thing's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Now, this is my first time seeing one of these Kyosho Mad Wagons in person. I didn't realize how big they were. You look in the picture here, I put it up against my Traxxas Max and Traxxas Mini Max. So you can see it's pretty decent size. It's kind of close to the Max, but this is a good looking truck. I know my roommate made it brushless. It is all wheel drive. There was a kit that he had to build. Did a good job on the body. He actually added lights also, so there's headlights on it. Like I said, he did make it brushless. He's got the Surpass Hobby 3500 kV motor in it, 60 amp ESC, and then your blue can servo from Amazon. Looks like it's got oil shocks. And it does have adjustable turnbuckles too, front and rear, so you can adjust your toe and camber along with your steering servo also. But yeah, this is a pretty sweet little ride. But we'll go out and run it around for a minute or so and just see how it does. Anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all be good and take care.